Hi, Grandma Ray don't play, and I have another tip for you. So I want to talk about how to save financially, okay? So you can go back and check on my previous video on cut the cord. And so I was basically trying to help you understand the purpose in not paying for cable. Cable is entertainment, but you can just pay for the internet, and then you can order Hulu, which is about $6, and Netflix is about $14, and and you get a Roku stick, right? The Roku stick has 2,000 channels free. Okay, so that's free, the 2,000, as long as you don't order anything that you have to pay for, okay? And the so when you add the internet, the Hulu, the Netflix, and you have the 2,000 Roku channels free, wow, that's plenty of entertainment. And the top of the line, YouTube. YouTube, my favorite channel, is absolutely free. Matter of fact, I have those other channels, but I very rarely go on there because I'm always on YouTube. YouTube just brings some of everything to the table. Okay, so you can just cut that cable bill right out. I would do that if I was you. The other thing I want to talk to you about is a lot of you have credit card debt. You should really start shopping around and seeing how you can cut the interest rate on the credit card. So sometimes you can transfer that balance over to another finance company, and they'll give you a 0 interest rate for a period of time, which you could save a lot on that interest, because a lot of the credit cards, the interest rate is between 22% and up. Okay, that's a lot. So let me break that down to you. That could be $22 on every 100. Insane. Okay, so you need to shop around and figure out how you can transfer your money over to save that money, because that money can go towards something else. Okay, and your checking account, do not have your checking account where if you go over that, they automatically okay that up to a certain amount. No, that's spending ahead of yourself. You need to have that. If you don't have the money in there, it gets declined at the store. And then that way you get a reality check. So the way you can control everything is you can call the 1-800 number before you go in the bank or in the store and see what your balances are. Write them down so that when you go in the store, you know what you can buy and what you can't buy, because you already know your balance, right? Okay, and car insurance. That's something else that I want you to shop around for, because car insurance is all over the place. It could be many different quotes from many different insurance companies. So you got to find the one that suits you best. So the best thing for you to do is have all your coverage in front of you. So when they start asking you, what do you have for bodily injury, you can just look on there and see what that is, and give them those figures, okay? And if you're not satisfied with the end result, say, well, what am I legally responsible for? And they may say, well, you can cut back on this and you can cut back on that to save money. The one thing that I must tell you that I would not save on, I would make sure that my deductible is $300. Because anything else, yes, you pay a little more a month, but the difference is if you're already struggling, you might can get up $300. But how are you going to get up $500, $700, or $1,000 deductible, right? That may mean that you just can't do it. And so you have a problem. So let's not make that a problem. Have a deductible of $300. Okay? Okay, and I think I'd like to end this video, and I'm going to come back on another one with my last word. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, okay? And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for sharing all the videos. I thank you for the 1,500 subscribers. I thank you for hanging in there with me. I thank you for you. Okay, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel, and it's a pleasure serving you. Okay, bye-bye.